Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Fashionable. I hope everyone is too good and pretty fine. Today's we are diving into one of the most elegant and timeless footwear option, stylish pumps for girls. From classic nude shade to bold statement heels, pumps never go out of style. So grab your favorite drink, sit back, and let's explore some trending, comfortable, and super stylish pumps design that can elevate any outfit. The new black and white pumps, these shades go with literally everything: jeans, dresses, formal wear, or even traditional outfit. Pointed toe pumps add that strap, confident, edgy, while round tone ones give a softer feminine vibes. Brands are now offering cushion insole and lightweight materials so you can look stylish without sacrificing comfort. Classic leather or suede pumps are a must have in every girl's wardrobe. And if you love extra sparkle, rhinestone embellished pumps are perfect for parties and night outs. Metallic gold and silver tones are also making a huge comeback this season. They are stylish and comfortable for long hours. Pointed pumps instantly make your outfit look sharp and polished. Pair them with taller pants, pencil skirts, or even formal jumpsuit, and you're ready to impress. For parties, wedding, or festive night, go for glossy patinette finishes, glitter pumps, or velvet textures. High silhouette pumps in red or nude shade are total showstopper. You can even try dual tones designs or those with metallic ankle strap for that extra edgy. Statement pumps can transform even a simple outfit into something unforgettable. Stylish does not have to mean uncomfortable. Flat pumps and wedges style design are perfect for daily wear. Soft material like fuse, leather, cushion, sole, and flexible fit design make walking easy and comfortable. Try pastel pink, lilac, or mint green for a fresh, youthful vibe. Perfect for brunches, shopping trips, or casual hangout with friends. Stylish pumps pair bright pumps with neutral outfit for a color pop. Go monotone with matching shoes and handbags for a classy touch. And ankle or delicate foot jewelry to make your palms stand out even more. And do not forget to match your nail polish, it really completely the look. Before you go, here a little bonus tip: always invest in good quality pumps that support your feet well. It's not just just about the look but also how confident and comfortable you'll feel wearing them. You can style your pumps with skinny jeans, flowy skirt, or even traditional outfit. They blend beauty with every look. Try experimenting with different texture like velvet, satin, or glossy leather for unique style statement. And do not forget, confidence is the best accessory you can wear with your pumps. Keep exploring your personal style and never be afraid to mix elegance with creativity. Fashion is meant to be fun, bold, and expressive. If you love today's video, share it with your fashion loving friends too. Follow us. And so, ladies, whether you love minimal nude tone or bold, eye catching heels, there's a pair of pumps out there that perfectly matches your vibe. Fashion is all about expressing your confidently, and a stylish pair of pumps can truly make that happen. If you enjoy this video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fashion inspiration every day. Drop in the comment which pump style is your favorite, classic, modern, or glam. Until next time, stay stylish, stay confident, and keep rocking your favorite pumps. Thanks for watching my video.